I'm about to go into solid core soon, my favorite place to work out. And then I think there's so many. Then I think I'm gonna head over to Lululemon just to try stuff on. I always hate kind of doing that though, because it looks weird that I just come in and then try a bunch of stuff on and then don't get anything and leave. But I really just want to know for size reference, because I'm not sure anymore what size I am in like loose shorts. I don't know if I'm a 4 or a 6, and I really want to try. I think I'm kind of in between depending on style. So that's why I want to try on different styles and see. So I think I'm going to go into that after solid core, because I'm in this big like fancy shopping center is where the solid core is, and has all these nice stores. So I might go do that after.
Platform left but behind straddling. Please go ahead.
So these shorts are to die for. They're called their Fast and Free High Rise Short 2-inch Airflow. I tried them on in a size 6 and they were clearly too big, so I would have to go down a size, but they're so cute. These are the Hottie Hot 4-inch, but they're high rise. I've never tried on their high rise shorts before. This was a size 4 and they fit absolutely perfect in the mint moment color. And I really do like this color, so I might consider buying these for summertime. These are the Speed Up High Rise 4-inch in Sonic Pink. I absolutely loved them. They're so flattering. The only issue with this style is they're really tight on the butt, and I don't like how you can see like the built-in underwear lines, but so cute. Lastly, I tried on the softstreme pant, straight leg style, and I absolutely fell in love with these. I've always wanted to try them on and see what the hype was about, and I'm going to have to invest in these because they're so cute and comfortable. It's so windy outside. Oh my gosh. So I just went into Lululemon, and of course I leave so sad that I didn't buy anything because everything was stunning. Absolutely perfect. So cute. I only went in with the intentions of like trying on stuff that I've always wondered like what size I would be. So I tried on different styles of shorts like the Speed Up or the Hottie Hots, right? Yeah. And I figured out I'm a size 4. I have a lot of things from Lululemon and they all vary between a size 4 and a 6, and I just never know what's best, and some fit too good and some fit, I don't know, a little big. So tried on shorts. I now will know to order if I ever want to order a size 4 online. So that's perfect. And then I also tried on, as you saw, because I'm going to insert the clips, what are they called? Oh, the softstreme pants. Just like straight leg pants. Oh my gosh, I've always wondered what those are like, and I'm obsessed with them. See, pants though like that are loose fitting, I get a size 6 typically because my legs are really long. So if I got a 4, I know everything would be too short. Leggings though, pant wise, I get a 4. It's really confusing, but now I really need to order some stuff before summer. It was too cute. I think I've got it done. I literally flipped that so perfect. Okay, I just flipped my omelet. I have not made an omelet in probably like 4 or 5 years, so I was surprised I did that so successfully. And I literally don't have ham or anything, so it's just egg and cheese. Wait, this thing is huge. I just used 2 eggs and some cheese, so I don't really know why it's so big. I forgot to put salt and pepper like on the inside when I was cooking it, so I'm gonna add some on now.
Okay, this is Ava trying macaroons at Whole Foods. She's deciding which ones to get. Here's theirs. They have a good deal for 6-pack for $10.
That's pretty good. That is good. That's a bargain.
It's a bargain.
So we're gonna get a pistachio.
Yum, pistachio.
We're definitely getting a tiramisu.
Do you like salted caramel?
Oh, for
We got
sure.
some cookies and cream.
Salted caramel for sure.
Chocolate, lemon, mango. Mango.
Here's talking coming up.
What flavors do you have so
Passes
far?
upwards a lot.
Yeah. This one's a classic chocolate.
I should probably get that, right?
Yeah, probably
Yeah.
just the classic chocolate, for sure.
Okay.
For sure. Looks like there's got salted caramel over there. That one looks like cookies and cream.
I should definitely get.
And
Devin's
then,
gonna be so mad when he comes out and I'm getting these.
yeah, he is.
Okay, here's my macaroons.
In a cute little container.
Yay!
So
I'm
cute.
so excited. I can't believe it's here. There's sample cheeses here at Whole Foods.
This is the raw
Give me a big one in
sriracha
there.
Gouda.
It's pretty good.
I didn't eat mine yet. We're good. Ooh. Spicy. That's the sriracha.
It's spicy. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just got back from working out literally all day long. Like, I did solid core this morning at 9:30, and then I was at the gym for 3 hours. Then I went to Core Life. I tried Core Life for the first time, and it was all right. If you know what that is, I've always wanted to try it. It's like a really healthy food place. And then we went to Whole Foods. So, I have a little Whole Foods haul. First, as you saw, we have the macaroons that were 6 for $10. I'm also gonna try one of these in a second. Then I just got some pineapple chunks. I'm like bending down to get all the way on the camera. Then I just got some mixed fruit to make smoothies and smoothie bowls. It says strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Then I got some oat milk to make with anything, also coffee and matcha mainly. And then I got coffee, Starbucks medium roast, unsweetened. And that was all. Hey guys, it is Sunday, April 2nd, and I am getting ready to go to a dance team workout class at Orange Theory Fitness. I'm so excited because I've never tried Orange Theory, but I've always wanted to. So it'll be really fun to do it with my teammates. And I'll just show you what I'm wearing real quick. Nothing special. We were just told to wear UK stuff. You know what that deal is, ignore. So I have this cute tank top on, just a Lulu bra underneath, Lulu biker shorts. But look at the back of this tank top. It's so cute. And then crew socks and New Balance shoes. It's probably chilly outside, so I'm just gonna throw on this big Kentucky Dance Team sweatshirt and my Lululemon ball bag. Here's what it looks like. Just this. Super cute. I just picked up my Lululemon package that you guys saw me vlog trying to pick out. I love these rippable packages. We have the Lululemon Instill leggings, 28-inch, size 4, and the magenta purple. And I believe the Instill material is the same as the Align, and I've always wanted to try them out. I think the waistband and the seams are flattering, especially on the back when it has the U shape. It does have a double lined, like only in the waistband, so I do like that because that'll like really hold you in. So here's the leggings. I just got the matching bra in the same color, magenta purple. So there's a maintenance guy outside pretending like he has a job to do, but in all reality, there's no leaves to blow, and he's right by my window. So in a size 4, I have not gotten one of these bras in years, but I miss them, so I needed to get it. I'm so excited. Here is it on. I'm trying to face the light so you can get like the colors. They're a little brighter in purple. Or they are a little brighter in person. Let me see if I can make the brightness go up. But it is stunning. Fits perfect, so flattering. It's beautiful. Here's the back of the bra.